Hey there, it's Jenny, and today I'm talking about how to fill our online workshops and events. So I want to ask you, how full are your classes and your trainings that you're doing? Are your ideal customers breaking down your online door to get to your party? Or are you feeling any frustration, tiredness, and pretty much ready to give up doing online classes and events? So most of the people that I meet are having a tough time filling their online classes and their trainings and their workshops, whatever they're doing online. And so I work with a lot of network marketers, but also small business women owners, and we're all kind of running into this issue. And so I created an entire training just on how to fill our online workshops and events. And so join me as I talk about that right now, how to attract your ideal customer and fill your next online workshop or class. So my name is Jenny Wilson, and I want to welcome you to the 4th episode of the MLM Workshop Success Training Series. And if this is your first time joining me to one of these trainings, please allow me to extend a personal invitation for you to open up a browser window and check out a sample workshop at, I'm going to give you the URL here, mymlmlab.com/sample. So mymlmlab.com/sample. So you can see how we organize our online classes and events that we have for selling our products. So if you have a product that you are trying to sell online, you can do that through running online workshops and classes. And we've actually built a template that's already set up that you can plug your own products right into the template and just have a plug and play event all ready for you to set up. And so we have the instructions, and we show you how to schedule the posts so you can automate some of that. And we show you how to bring people into your workshop and sell whatever product you have. So if you have pictures of the product that you sell, you can just plug them in. You see, I've got essential oils on the wall right here. So right now I've got the picture of essential oils. You can just plug in your photo of whatever products you're selling online and use social media tools that are completely free to be able to do that. So we pride ourselves on that because we want people to be able to use a system where you're not have to be paying for a lot of expensive online tools to run your sales funnels and your sales systems online. We use all free social media tools and graphic creation tools and different things. So those tools are all free. So let's get started. Today we're going to learn more on how to get ideal customers into your online parties and events and workshops, okay? So workshops are actually an awesome way to help your ideal dream customer find the solutions that includes your company products that you're selling. And ideally, each workshop you host is solving one big problem for the workshop attendee. For example, if they struggle with pain, then you would host a Feel Better Fast workshop, right? That has education about and solutions for people struggling with pain. Now, because you're solving a problem for someone, a problem that they have and they're aware of, they're actively looking for a solution. And your task is then to be where they are looking. So now that you know that you need to be where they're looking, how do you do that? Where are they hanging out, right? So using our example around pain, we want to look for Facebook groups, for example, that are specifically for that dream customer. Men, women, whoever is experiencing pain or whatever other topic, it can be for kids or whatever, and your subject. So if you're looking to help, for instance, women athletes with pain solutions, then you want to go to some groups that have women athletes in them, right? And start engaging there. And the key is engagement. You want to look for your dream customers and then start commenting on their posts, liking their comments, and getting to know them better. And I've been doing this. It's so fun. And then when you have that conversation going and you've kind of connected with someone a couple times, you can reach out to them with a direct message and see if you can start a conversation around, in this example, it would be pain, right? And how you can help them. So once you have a conversation going, then you can invite them to your next online event, party, workshop, and ask them if they know anyone else who would be interested in the same subject, right? And now that we have Clubhouse, we can add this to our strategy and engage in clubs the same way that we do in Facebook groups. And instead of comments, you actually join in conversations. So now keep in mind, if you really want to fill your workshops, you will spend at least an hour a day attracting people to you using this method that I just outlined. And you're going to want to track your efforts with a document that I call the Hostess 100 list. So if you ever connect with an influencer and they're going to host this event with you, it's a great idea to have a list of those potential people that you can do like joint ventures with, right? That are interested in your products. Maybe they don't want to jump in full bore, but they want to share them with their audience. Then you can do that with them. So you want to have a list of those people. In Google is a great place to keep that, so you can just keep referencing it and find the next people that you can do an event with. I made a Google spreadsheet to make sure that just my daily online network work wasn't just wasted time. And I keep this updated with the people that I connect with the most and then who get invited to my workshops. And this way I track who's interested and how engaged they are during whatever workshop they attended. So for the most active ones, I reach out and I ask them if they'd like to host a workshop of their own. And here's why this works so well. The women who end up hosting workshops for me, they're so passionate about the subject that they go and recruit for the next workshop, which brings in 10 to 20 times the amount of people that I would go get on my own. And they're reaching out to people in their own network and inviting them, okay? So the work that I did to get them into the workshop, it just multiplied with very little effort on my part. So there's some great tips for filling your next online event, your next workshop. And so you can be ready to go out and do that. And if you want to see how any of my workshops work, comment below, I'm in, and I will send you an invitation to my next Perfume Paradise workshop. And if you're not quite ready to attend a workshop or host one, you can check out a sample. And the URL for the sample page is mymlmlab.com/sample, and I'll post that too. So you can sign up for my free training too. I have a free training coming up next month, mymlmlab.com. Same thing. And we talk about how to use social media sales funnels for selling products online, how to get people into those groups, and doing a fun event with different themes and topics for selling your products and how to plug yours right into that system. So thank you for watching. This is Jenny, and I'll see you again next week.